In this exercise from Trinity College Grade 3 syllabus called Hand to Hand, exercise 1B, we're going to have a look at how to approach this in order to achieve the best tone, balancing and voicing. The first element we need to have a look at is the tempo, which is andante, which has 92 crotchet beats per minute, so fairly slow. The key signature we will be playing in will be D minor, because we have that B flat and we also have the C sharp, as we can see in line 2 bar 6. So playing the scale, we'll see that we need to press down the B flat and the C sharp. The time signature is common time, so it is 4 crotchet beats per bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And for the left hand, we're going to have to count in quavers in order to make sure that we press down the quaver notes in the correct timing. We're first going to have a look at the right hand. The right hand is going to start with pinky on A, so our hand position will be that where the thumb is on D. And we're going to start with 5 and 3, moving to 4 and 2, moving to 1 and 3, then moving our thumb all the way up to G, and now we need to stretch for the E. Stretching our second finger in order for us to play the A. And this is very important. Rather use the second finger there, because then we're going to move our thumb down for the second last bar in order to get to the E there. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, ending on D. The left hand, we have a legato e cantabile, meaning that we need to play this legato but also in a singing tone. So we're going to start with pinky on D, and we're going to do 5, 4, 3, 2, holding, moving our forefinger to where the second finger was, 4, 1, B flat. Now thumb on A. This is very important because we need to go all the way down to D again, doing it in a legato motion, so we cannot break the phrase line there. Forefinger to 2, thumb, 3, 5. Now the staccato and the chords is in the left hand, so now we're going to put our thumb on B flat next to middle C, and we're going to have our second finger on G. And this is important because otherwise we are going to struggle with the flow of the chords in the next bar. Thumb goes down to A, now 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, and now stretching so that the pinky is on C sharp. Now 2 and 5, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is very important. In the second last bar there, do not repeat the A twice. We need to play the G. Let's have a talk about dynamics in this piece. Dynamics are fairly simple, as we will have to play piano all the way through, right up until the very end in the last bar, where we apply a poco rallentando, meaning we're a little bit slower to end off the piece. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos that might benefit you.